Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. I went and got supplies yesterday. Posted a video this morning. We'll check comments in a minute. Alrighty, well, and also I needed a break a day from this thing. It's a lot when you do these builds, especially by yourself. It's a ton of work. Not complaining, just that is it. Alrighty, well, let's check comments. You can see up there, today is a goal, by the way, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm gonna run all the slats, wood slats, and hopefully finish the insulation where I can. I'm gonna run as many slats like I did up top along the walls and get that installed. Alright, well, I got the laptop fired up here. I posted the insulation video. Let me refresh. RMax insulation. By the way, the RMax insulation, hang on, I had actually an email about it, is real urethane. It's not the white stuff. Don't get the white styrofoam stuff. See the yellow? That is true urethane. And the R factors I showed you in last video, somewhere on here. Hang on. R factors. It's R6 per inch. You're not going to get that with any other insulation except urethane. So, whether you spray it in, the spray in, or use the rigid, urethane is the best. Also, to stuff in, this is soundproofing and insulation. It's rock wool, which I added it in hard to get places where you can't put the urethane. What a difference when I drove this yesterday, my goodness. It is so much quieter already. All right, comments, yay. Here we go. RMax insulation, Sprinter van build, comments read, let's read them. Let me refresh this again. Okay, a little over 1,000 views. I posted a couple hours ago. Thank you all for watching. We don't need to hear that. Evan T, looking good, Russ. Thank you. Jess says, morning, Russ. Things are progressing nicely. Thank you. Larry Marks, see you at Jamie's van build. You betcha. I'll be there this fall. David Brinkley, that insulation do a good job on hot and cold. You bet it will. Urethane, once again, is the best insulation you can use. Okay, here's Diane. Hi, Russ. You're making good progress. What kind of adhesive did you use on the insulation? Hang on, I'll show you. Okay, Diane, it's PL. It's Loctite. It's their premium fast grab PL Pro line, 8 times stronger. This stuff. It's a little pricey, but a tube goes a long ways. Hope that answers it, Diane. KJ, van is shaping up nicely. Eager to see your kitchen. Yeah, it'll be a couple weeks, or 3 or 4. Lance, good morning. How you doing? Here's a good question. John, are you using pre-prime finished wooden furring strips, or are those PVC composite? I can tell you that exactly. They are real wood. It's pine wood. You get them at Home Depot right here, and they are not PVC. It's the real deal. Here's a cut piece. Real wood. That PVC stuff, yeah, it just, I don't know. Don't care for it. Everything's real as much as I can make it. Great question, John. David Berry, good job, Russ. Thank you. BT, nice to have you back. I was only gone a day. Thank you. Explorer says, I'll be starting installation project on my camper trailer build. Have a great day. Good. Harold, get her done. You betcha. Brandon, progress. Here's one. Bob Watson, are you going to get new tires and rims? Those rims look so little on your van. Well, no. This thing's brand spanking new, and they're not that little. I mean, the van's big. But those are 16-inch. Those are factory, really good tires. It's supposed to be like a 60,000-mile tire on these things. I will probably get like some hubcaps maybe, because those are just a standard steel wheel. So maybe I'll get a hubcap or something. But that would be it. The wheels stay it is. Okay, once again, thanks for the comments. I'll try to read them before I start daily projects as much as I can. Appreciate it all. Alrighty, well, let me get set up. I'm going to start cutting wood. I'll record some of it for you. Be back soon. Okay, you can see I put a little adhesive up here where the board's gonna set. You know, when they make RVs or motorhomes, they either use adhesive or glue on all the joints as much as possible. I added these clamps right here as my helper because I'm doing this by myself. I can't hold this 12-foot board up by myself, so I'll just rest the board on top of the clamp and then screw it in place. You'll see it right now. Okay, there's board number one. About a dozen more to go. You see how them clamps, the board just laid up there and then all I gotta do is loosen it. Alright, I think next one will be right along in here somewhere. Because if I ever add a shelf, especially back here, that'll be good and solid to screw into it. Alright, onward we go. Okay, there we go. Looking good. I like this. I gotta figure out where here. Then down here is where the battery, you know, that bed and everything. So I ain't really worried about that because I gotta leave that open for a while because of wiring. I'm gonna run one more right through there. Call that good for now. Cool. Alright, almost there. This will all be done. Alrighty, check it out. Yay. Got them all. Down here I can't do it yet because I still have to build all that. Same way down there. Have the kitchen cabinet and all that. That turned out just really slick. I'm real happy. And I can add little pieces here and there for support as we start building out the walls. Cool beans. Alright. Continue on. Alrighty, well, I'm gaining on it. Piece at a time. Boy, it sure changes the atmosphere in here. It gets real quiet. Took all the echo out. Anyway, I'm just filling and cutting and piecing in here. Got most of those slats, like I said before, down there. That'll be cabinet time. But we're gaining on it. I imagine another full day, maybe I could have most of this knocked out. So I'm hoping. All right, thanks for watching. Next video. Talk soon.